Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious blue cheese dip for your buffalo wings. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of creamy sour cream and 1/4 cup of rich mayonnaise. Also, have 1/2 cup of your favorite crumbled blue cheese, 1 small minced garlic clove, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice on hand. Don't forget a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper to taste. Now, let's create the smooth, creamy base for our dip. Take your medium-sized mixing bowl and add the 1/2 cup of sour cream and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Using a spoon or whisk, gently stir these two ingredients together. Continue mixing until they are thoroughly combined and achieve a wonderfully smooth consistency. This forms the perfect foundation for our flavorful. Inside, the Audi Q8 offers a sophisticated, luxurious cabin with premium materials. It features a 12.3-inch virtual cockpit and dual touchscreens for infotainment and climate. Available massaging front seats and 4-zone climate control enhance comfort. Cargo space is about 30.5 cubic feet behind the rear seats. The Jeep Grand Cherokee provides a comfortable interior with an available 10.1-inch infotainment screen. Higher trims offer Napa leather, heated and ventilated seats, and a powerful 19-speaker audio system. It provides around 37.7 cubic feet of cargo space behind its second row. Finally, let's perfect our dip. Taste your creation and add a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Once seasoned, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the dip for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your homemade blue cheese dip with hot, crispy buffalo wings and some refreshing celery sticks for the ultimate snack experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.